Hello dear friends and companions. In this video, we will tell you some tips on how to sleep well and how to treat insomnia. We hope that this content is useful for you and you can use it to be healthy. Those who lack sleep, their brains are very dry, so they should avoid consuming hot and dry foods such as nature spices, cheese, chips, and perfumes that make the brain dry, especially tea and coffee, which increase the dryness of the body and brain and, as a result, increase the lack of sleep. They should use ingredients that give moisture to their body and brain, such as lettuce, honey vinegar syrup with lettuce, the mixture of vinegar and grape syrup with lettuce, cucumber, and nuts. Therefore, one of our important recommendations is to use nuts at night. Pistachios, almonds, hazelnuts and walnuts provide protein for people over 50 years of age and are very energizing and a good medicine for insomnia. It is better to eat the nuts raw and chew them like chewing gum, which also leads to good absorption of saliva. Drinking a glass of walnut milk every night will be beneficial. Also, they can lubricate their head and temples with violet oil at night and try to do some physical activity before going to bed. These people don't have good physical activity, so dryness and coldness of their brain has increased. Therefore, it is better to increase their blood circulation and their body will feel tired, which will lead to sweeter sleep. The best color to use for bedding sheets and matters which is more suitable for sleeping is white. In fact, the bedroom is one of the most important places where we spend 1/3 of our life, so we must care of the bedroom, that is, the type of bedding materials that we use. They should be as much as possible natural fibers. Use pillows filled with feathers, wool or cotton and mattresses with natural materials. In the bedroom, it is good to put a salt lamp, which cleans the air and creates positive energy. In your bedroom, try to use rose water and natural perfumes. If you put a branch of marigold or narcissus flower in the bedroom, it will warm your brain and give you a very good and pleasant sleep.
If you liked this video, please subscribe our channel and leave your comments. Thank you.